Hey guys, today we're going to draw Cinemaman from Skibidi Toilet. So grab a pencil, a paper. If you haven't already, go check out some of my drawing books. You can see them in my description of the video or my profile. Otherwise, let's get going. So first we're going to draw a rectangle. And we'll start here kind of up at the top. Bring it down about that much. This is going to be his head for the TV. And then on the inside, we're gonna do just these curved lines that'll be for the screen. So not exactly straight as the edges are. Okay, now at the bottom, do these diagonal lines in. These are his neck. And let's go ahead and draw his chest, which is just gonna be a square. I think he's actually one of the more simple characters to draw. He does have a lot of speakers on his chest, but we'll get to that. Right above the square, do a very narrow rectangle. And let's go ahead now and add in some speakers on the right and left of him. So what we'll do is add a rectangle over here on the right-hand side that kind of pokes out. And the same thing on the other side. Just kind of pokes out there on his shoulder. And then inside each of these, we're going to do a circle on the bottom half. And then another smaller circle right inside in the middle. And at the top, we're going to do what looks like kind of like a dollar bill. So just a rectangle with a circle in the middle. That's like the smaller tweeter speaker. Okay, while we are up here by his head, let's finish up the more 3D effect on these. So just draw the cabinet going back behind. And then what we'll do is we're gonna just add these little poles that come up for the little helicopter blades that he's got. So we'll go like that, and the blades, we'll do a line that comes out and then creates just a little blade. This one's kind of behind, and that one will go right there. And let's do that on each side. We'll just do these blades. And this one goes behind as well. All right, we are moving along. Let's go to his arms. So off of each of these speakers, we're gonna curve down and then stop, and we'll just create these little bumps for his hands. And then on the inside, we'll come down, then one big bump for his thumb with a little curvy line right there to show off the thumb being tucked in. And we'll do that on both sides. So just reverse direction, create these little bumps, and then on the inside, one big bump, a line, and there we go. Okay, now let's do the bottom coat. We'll have it come off the cabinet like that, curve in and back up, both sides. And then his legs come right down from both of those. And his inside legs will come down just a little farther so that we can draw the shoes. So have the shoes come over and curve over, and then just curve up, down, and over to the edge. Same thing on the right shoe. So up, down, to the edge. I'll connect that. And I usually just do one more line at the bottom of the shoe for his sole. All right, we about have him done. We just got to add in the circle speakers. So I'm going to do just a couple of bigger ones here and here. And then the rest are going to be small ones. If I go too fast, just pause the video and restart it when you're ready. So I'm just kind of adding in some bigger speakers, little speakers. They're going to be all over the place. Almost got him. On some of these bigger circles, I think I'm going to add some dots in the middle. The smaller ones, I think they might be a little too small. Let's add a couple more there. 2, 3 more up here. All right, let's add some dots on some of these bigger ones. All right, now all we have to do is color him. Okay, there we go. Our finished Cinema Man from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you guys had fun. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video.